I see a web page titled Multi-Pendulum Drawing Game. It shows a complex drawing created by multiple pendulums with different colors and settings, and there are controls for adjusting the pendulums. Well, if you consider the patterns generated by the pendulums as complex systems, it could be conceptually related to the analysis of biological signals or systems in biomedical research. For example, the motion could be analogous to the variability in physiological data or the dynamics of certain biological processes. The complex patterns generated by the pendulums could be analyzed using AI techniques. AI algorithms could be used to model the nonlinear dynamics of the pendulums, predict their behavior, or identify patterns in the drawings that might be difficult to discern manually. This involves principles related to machine learning and complex system analysis, which are key parts of AI. To improve the simulation, several enhancements could be made. Adding more pendulums with customizable properties, such as length, angle, and damping, could create even more complex patterns. Implementing more advanced physics models for realistic motion and allowing for interaction between the pendulums could further enrich the simulation. Additionally, adding features for data export and analysis would make it more useful for scientific research or exploring complex systems. To summarize, the screen shows a multi-pendulum drawing game that creates complex patterns using multiple pendulums. The simulation of complex systems can be related to analyzing biological data and AI-driven analysis. Improvements could include more complex physics, increased interactivity, and enhanced data analysis features.